Here is how to exit Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can exit the Badoo app on your phone. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side. After that, tap on the settings icon on the top. As you go through various settings on the Badoo app, you won't find an option to exit. There is an option to sign out from your account. However, there is no indicated option to exit from the app. That is because exiting from any app on your device is quite easy. You will have to simply tap on the home screen button on your phone and then it will take you to home screen. Now you can simply remove the app from the background. As you do that, you will successfully exit from the Badoo app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.